Witness the magic of our laser welding machine on aluminum. High-energy laser beams ensure fast welding. The seams are not only strong but also incredibly aesthetic, requiring no post-weld polishing.